questions 17 through 19 have to deal with the VTIDS label, and this has a 15 to 56 milligram per kilogram daily in 3 to 6 divided doses. Now, what the 3 to 6 divided doses means is that the doctor can choose 3 times a day, 4 times a day, 5 times a day, or 6 times a day. But they still need to specify in the problem which one they choose. But any one of those 4 is okay. So it says 40 milligrams QID of VTIDS has been ordered for a 9-pound infant. Find the dosage range per day in milligrams for this patient. So I'm going to start with the weight of 9 pounds and divide that by 2.2. 9 divided by 2.2 is going to be 4.1. Then I'm going to set up a proportion with the range, because that has the per kilogram. So 15 to 56 milligrams per 1 kilogram. And then I'm matching up the kilograms, and then I'm going to solve. $61.5 to 229.6, but they do want us to round this to the nearest whole, so it'll be 62 to 230 milligrams. 18 says find the total milligrams given to the patient for a day. Okay, so 40 milligrams have been ordered, and it's QID, which means 4 times a day. So I need to take the 40 milligrams and multiply by 4 to get 160 milligrams. And then finally, is this a safe dosage? This will be yes, because the 160 is within the 62 to 230 range.